All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, let's look and see what's going on around the shop. All right, Andrew has a Infinity with a bad cooling fan, overheat complaint, oil change, some other little piddly stuff. He finished everything else, so he had a good day. So, see what I got. Intake out of a Ford truck. Rod fell off, it's bent, waiting on parts. We had to push it out because you watch for my video about parts, guys. Now, here, we have a charcoal canister. Did you notice that? Chunk of metal came up and took out their charcoal canister. Waiting for the part to come in, but it's on this CRV. No other damage on the car other than taking a chunk out of the charcoal canister. So obviously the check engine light's on. Now this Tahoe here, alternator had failed. So we sold them an alternator. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick it up, but needs a wheel bearing too. So oil change, wheel bearing, new alternator, and a brake flush. So pretty decent ticket for me. Bam Bam has this Expedition with a misfire. He's got to finish diagnosing it in the morning, but probably coils and plugs, you know, not surprising. He also has a CRV, oil pump's leaking, but it came in for a complaint of smell with AC on, belts are just trashed, worn out, so we'll see what happens with that, hadn't been sold yet. He also has a Maxima outside with a manual transmission. Clutch is making some god-awful noises, or I should say the throwout bearing sounds like, yeah, well, let's just say it sounds bad. Josh, empty bay. Josh, another empty bay. This one is Jesse's. Obviously you can see he took the bed off. If you follow me on Instagram, this is the one I posted, the evap lesson I taught Jesse on. Gave him a nice little refresher on GM evap systems, leaking from the fuel pump as well as a bad vent valve. And pretty sure the fuel pump just took a dump on us because it doesn't start anymore. And I got to finish doing some checks in the morning, but I'm pretty sure it's going to get a fuel pump too. Fun. And Buick over there, power steering leak. Dorman sucks. Their reservoir didn't fit. They suck. So hopefully you got that leak solved. Leaking out of the O-ring to the reservoir. We'll see in the morning. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of what's going on in the shop, let me know in the comments. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.